Hello guys, today we are going to see how to install the Angular CLI for latest version. So for latest version we need to be open the browser. Inside the browser we need to open the official site angular.dev. Inside angular.dev we have the installation part, and in the installations you will find Angular CLI command which we need to run into the command prompt. In the command prompt we need to run this command. Once you click enter, it will start installing all the required. It's done and it's installed all the packages. And now if you want to verify what is the version it's got installed, then you need to write one command ng version. So once you click enter, you will be able to see the Angular version which you installed. Angular CLI 20 is the latest version, and Node which we already installed earlier. So it is showing all the details. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this video.